Hey everybody, how's it going? This video is mainly for my sister who just got a half a bushel of peaches. Just like this, I got a half bushel, she got a half bushel. She wants to know how to make jam. So what we're after is some nice sweet peach jam, and all you're gonna need is a whole bunch of sugar. You're gonna need some pectin, that's available pretty much everywhere, grocery stores, etc. And then you're gonna need some canning jars. So first things first, let's get the skins off these peaches. Alright, here's a trick that I just assume everybody knows. You take some boiling water, you put your peaches in there for about a minute, and then you're going to transfer them to ice water. Then the skins will slip right off. Alright, we've taken the pits out of the peaches, just cut them into rough chunks, and now what I'm going to do is use the immersion blender. You could use a food processor to make it into a puree like this. Go ahead and put your cleaned, empty jars in some boiling water for about 10 minutes, and in the meantime, while that comes up to a boil, we're going to start processing the jam. So this is our pureed peach. We're going to do 4 cups. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, now, if you wanted to, you could cook this down ahead of time, but I think it's fine. Now, I'm going to do a little bit of cinnamon, just a little sprinkle, and a little bit of allspice, just a tiny amount. Okay, now we're going to dump in the sugar. As far as the sugar is concerned, 5 cups already measured out. Dump that in there. You're going to want 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Just bottled lemon juice is fine. This is to ensure the proper acidity for the pectin to set, etc. And then, of course, our powdered pectin. Now the instructions are in here for different recipes, or you can find them online. Stir it all together while it's cold. Bring this up to a nice hard boil, rolling boil that doesn't stop while you're stirring. This is our full rolling boil. It's boiling, 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 even while it's being stirred. You want to watch it carefully. Let it do this for at least 1 minute. All right, get your jar with a jar lifter. Empty it out. While it's nice and hot, put your canning funnel in there. Fill it to within about a ½ inch of the top. Wipe the rim of the jar. Use your lid lifter. Put a lid on there. And tighten the ring. And now that can go back in the water bath. And just keep repeating.